Empty bottles can be incredibly useful. You probably had no idea. 1. Heat the bottle cap over a candle. Push it with chopsticks to create a handy salad bottle. 2. Cut a plastic bottle in half. Then, unscrew the cap. Stick the bottle onto a wooden stick. Secure it with a screw. Now you have a tool for changing light bulbs. It helps you remove and install bulbs without a ladder. No more climbing ladders to change light bulbs. 3. Leftover food often clogs the drain. Take an empty bottle and cut off the bottom. Poke some holes and hang it by the sink. It easily filters food scraps. No more clogged drains. And it's easy to clean. 4. Cut a bottle in half. Use it in the fridge to store small items. No need to buy storage boxes. 5. Cut the bottle in half and attach it to a cabinet door. Store trash bags and plastic wrap. Easily accessible when needed. Very convenient. 6. Make a funnel from a drink bottle. Heat the cap a bit. Push it out with chopsticks. Cut off the top. Cut the bottle into this shape. Attach the top ring to the bottle mouth. Screw the cap back on. Super useful. 7. Use wide-mouth bottles for storing grains. They're airtight and look nice. Keeps bugs and moisture out. 8. Washing machine drain hose too short? Water everywhere? Cut a hole in a plastic bottle. Insert the washer drain into the bottle. Place the bottle in the drain. No more water spills. Follow me for more handy tips.